Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to use voice chat with your Copilot AI. So let's get started. The very first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up your Copilot AI. So this is going to open up. Next thing we want to do is to click on here. Then while using the app, accept. Then you can start have a conversation with your Copilot AI. It's listening right here. Now let's go ahead and ask a Copilot AI some question. Hello, can you please tell me the current weather condition in my area?
Sure, I can help with that. Let me check the current weather conditions in Akbede, Lagos State, Nigeria for you. It's currently partly sunny with a temperature of around 27 degrees Celsius, but it feels more like 32 degrees Celsius. A bit humid, but overall, not a bad day to be outside.
All right. Can you simply tell me how weather condition is going to be in the next 2 hours in my area right now?
The next 2 hours in Akbede, you can expect partly sunny weather with temperatures around 27 to 29 degrees Celsius. No major changes expected, so a nice and warm day ahead.
It's that simple. This is how to talk to Microsoft Copilot AI, how to voice chat. You can literally ask this AI whatever question you might think of. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Microsoft Copilot AI on Android, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.